Hey, and welcome back to Dan the Flavor Guy. Today, we're bringing another sauce at you, so let's get started. Today, we're doing the In-N-Out special spread, and with a bonus, we're gonna make it animal style. We're gonna start off with a half a cup of mayonnaise, followed by 3 tablespoons of ketchup. Want to make sure we scrape that bowl nice and clean, get all of it in there. Next is 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish. And here it is. We're going to follow that up with 1.5 teaspoons of sugar. Granulated sugar works best. Then last but not least, for our special spread, we're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of distilled white vinegar. And that's it. There you have it. That is In-N-Out's special spread. It's basic, but it's delicious. Matter of fact, it's Dan-tastic. So I started to mix it with the spatula. Didn't work very well. So I went ahead and I got a whisk. I whisked it till it was this nice creamy texture. Now, this is where we go animal style. We're putting about a 1/4 cup of mustard, because actually when they make their burgers animal style, they actually fry their burgers in mustard. Little fact I bet you didn't even know. Next, after that, we're gonna add about a 1/4 cup of caramelized onions. Then last but not least, to turn it animal style, we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of Cheese Whiz. There you have it. Now you have In-N-Out's special spread, animal style. Basic animal style, all it is a cheese, it is your caramelized onions, and then frying it in mustard. And that's it. Pretty basic. Easy, quick to whip up. This is something you can teach your kids. Your kids could even do it. And like I said before, hey, it's fantastic. There it is. We got it all whisked together. You can see it went from that light brown color to more of a cheese, nacho cheese looking color. That's it. But before you leave, smash the subscribe, lick that like, turn on that bell so you can be notified every time I post a video.